everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design. And today I'm celebrating the full moon that we had just a day ago. So when full moons come around, you want to take a little time and set your intentions for the month ahead. So today we're going to be doing a little tape art and setting some intentions using our metallic markers. All right, thanks for joining me. Let's get started. Time to plan out our design. So I know that I want the full moon to be in the center, and I'm gonna call them moon rays, kind of like sun rays that come out and radiate outward with my different intentions for the month. So to make it a little bit more interesting in the background, I'm gonna add the blue and purple and black around the white. So I'll put the white down last. So as you can see, the more layers of tape that you do, the more interest that it brings to your picture. So I'm really happy with how this has turned out so far. I'm just going to add some of my little detail washi tape with cool foil on it to create the moonbeams, and then write my intentions around it. Okay, so I wrote out my intentions here, and I'm just going to write them in a circular fashion in my moon. And I tested out some other colors of marker over here on my white tape, so I knew what it would look like instead of on the blue. Don't you just love that shimmer? Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's a quick and easy and a fun way to use tape and metallic markers to celebrate the full moon and set your intentions for the month ahead. So it's a wonderful reminder to hang up on your wall somewhere to spread positivity and joy and remember what you're looking forward to throughout the month. Thank you for joining me with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I hope you continue to follow me through my art adventures. Bye-bye.